Hey guys, I just want to do a quick meet with you guys just to clarify what we were talking about in that socket project. So you see tooling. I know there's a bunch of duplicates. There's two drills or two shanks, two same heads and two different inserts. The reason why we went to the two different drills to get that 2 1/4 depth you're looking to get through that one example you showed me, I was going to have to go 8 times D. So to do the 8 times D, if you actually look in the pilot procedures and stuff like that, you want to pilot to 8 and 12. So save you some money. I just went to the 5 times D, so you can use it for multiple other things. We do recommend going with the 1.5 times D because it starts out even more true. Short and stubby, you can see that option as well. It's a little cheaper tool. But there's a 5 times D, the 8 times D drill that we were looking at to get the depth, 2 1/4. The 3H drill tip, the 374, showing you here in a 9.5 millimeter. And then what we've been familiar with the Vascamax, the half-inch diapause tetra head. It is a two effective flute. We would get two of those heads. We had to modify one to make it for the feed mill. But going that depth, we'd only need a steel shank, but we do with no neck relief to get the length. If you want if you get a little bit of drumming or I call it drumming when you get chips between the shank. We can turn this back manually. They just don't give you the turn back shank that length because it does weaken a little bit, lose some rigidity. But I've done this before. It's the cheaper option. All these tools are off the shelf in stock in Rockford. To get over to show you, I mean, it's probably very similar tool path you guys are doing now, drilling out the corners and then roughing it all down and then finishing the inside. We're just drilling out the corners. There's the feed mill going right there, and then the finish mill. The feed mill, we're only taking 15 thou step downs and feeding 20 per tooth and doing about 500 surface footage. Then the feed mill is about the same surface footage, but we're only doing like 5 thou per tooth, but we're taking like 150 thou step down. We can do a little bit. We can go up to 180. We can go to 90 thou to get 50% overlap. But looking at the tolerance, I think it'll be okay with the 150. If we actually look over at the time for the entire process on time, we are about 15 minutes and 39 seconds. I don't know where you guys are at now. There might be things you want to leave or give and take or try out in this process, but I wanted to show a quick video so you see what we have to offer at first stab, and we can discuss when we see you on Thursday. You can even give this to the second shift guy. He can watch it on his phone because it's going to be linked on my YouTube page and everything so you can see. But have any questions, I'll talk to you tomorrow.